वेलकम टू डिजिटल रिंग्स। आज इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाला 100 इजी जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। इस चैनल को अगर आप लोगों को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, काइंडली रिक्वेस्ट से सब्सक्राइब करिए। साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन बटन क्लिक करिए। एक्सप्लोजन बाय विच यूनिवर्सिटी केम इनटू बीइंग इज कॉल्ड? आंसर बिग बैंग थियरी। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू terrestrial planet? Answer Mercury. Which planet experience all the seasons as on Earth? Answer Mars. How many cosmic year old is the Sun? Answer 20.5 galactic year. Which planet has the shortest day in the solar system? Answer Jupiter. Pluto was discovered in dash year. Answer 1930. Pluto was discovered by. Answer Clyde Tombaugh. Which is the smallest satellite in the solar system? Answer Phobos. Which satellites with an atmosphere like Earth? Answer Titan. Dash is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. Answer Jupiter. When a planet turns around an external axis is called as revolution. When a planet turns around an internal axis is called as rotation. Which planet is the fastest revolution in solar system? Answer Mercury. Which one of the following does not belong to the gaseous planet? Answer Venus. Which one of the following does not belong to the inner planet? Answer Neptune. The following surface of the sun is called as dash. Answer photosphere. Dash is the gas that containing electrically charged gas particle. Answer plasma. What is the size of entire solar system? Answer 1 lakh astronomic unit. Which is the nearest star to Earth? Answer Sun. Which is the green planet? Answer Uranus. Moonlight is caused by. Answer sunlight reflection. Which is the shooting star? Answer meteorites. Which object usually fall from the sky on Earth are called? Answer meteorites. Asteroids circle between which planet? Answer Mars and Jupiter. Which comet seen once in 76 years? Answer Halley comet. Which direction does the Earth rotate? Answer west to east. Which planet in our solar system called as blue planet? Answer Earth. In which stage the helium core become increasingly heavy combined with the expanding outer layer? Answer protostar. Which is the closest star to our solar system? Answer Proxima Centauri. Sirius also called as day star. Answer dark star. Which is the brightest star outside solar system? Answer Sirius. The movement of the earth on its own axis is called? Answer rotation. The earth's surface covered with water at dash percentage? Answer 71%. Which is the red planet in our solar system? Answer Mars. Earth is situated between which of the two planets? Answer, Mars and Venus. When does the moon appear between the earth and the sun? Answer, solar eclipse. Which planet is almost of the same size and mass of the earth? Answer, Venus. Which is the coldest planet in our solar system? Answer, Neptune. Which is the nearest planet to earth? Answer, Venus. Which planet is known as the dwarf planet? Answer, Pluto. Earth shape is described as? Answer, geoid. Meteorites are made up of? Answer, small pieces of rocks. The fixed paths in which the planets of solar system move around the sun are known as? Answer, orbit. How many days does Venus take to complete one orbit around the sun? Answer, 255 days. Which of the following is the largest planet in solar system? Answer, Jupiter. What is the source of heat and light for the solar system? Answer, sun. How many days does the moon takes to move around the earth? Answer, 27 days. The North Star is also known as? Answer, pole star. Which one of the following is no longer amongst the 8 planets of the solar system? Answer, Pluto. Which planet is in the center of the solar system? Answer, Sun. Which of the following components have made life possible on Earth? Answer, all of the above. The nearest planets of the Sun is? Answer, Mercury. Blue planet indicates presence of? Answer, water. The Sun is a dash. Answer, a star. Full moon night occur once every dash. Answer, a month. Asteroids are found between the orbits of? Answer, Mars and Jupiter. The pole star indicates the direction to the? Answer, north. The planet of the solar system moves around the sun in a fixed dash path. Answer, elongated. Light travel at the speed of about dash kilometer per second. Answer, 3 lakh. The average speed of the sunlight reach to the earth? Answer, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Which planet has no moon? Answer, Mercury. The large group of stars are called as? Answer, constellation. Which is the third nearest planet to the sun? Answer, Earth. The small pieces of rock which moves around the sun are called as? Answer, meteorites. Which is the minor planets of the solar system? Answer, asteroids. Which planet has largest number of satellites? Answer, Jupiter. Which planet is also called Earth twin? Answer, Venus. How many planets does the solar system consist of? Answer, 8. The distance of the sun from the earth is dash. Answer, 150 million kilometer. The solar system belongs to the which galaxy? Answer, Milky Way. The farthest planet from Sun is answer Neptune. Which planet is called as evening star in our solar system? Answer Venus. Which planet does not have a satellite? Answer Venus. Which planet have the largest number of natural satellites? Answer Jupiter. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Answer Venus. Which planet look reddish in the night sky? Answer Mars. What does the study of universe called? Answer cosmology. A group of star is known as answer galaxy. Which of the following does not belongs to the solar system? Answer nebulae. The Milky Way galaxy was the first observed by answer Galileo Galilei. What is the most common form of precipitation? Answer rain. Which of the following winds is called anti-trade wind? Answer westerly. Which of the following climatic control is the most important? Answer continentality. Frontal rain is caused by answer cyclonic activity. What is it called when water moves into the atmosphere? Answer evaporation. Smoke is combination of answer smoke and fog. What is the biggest storm in history? Answer typhoon tip. Liquid water changes to water vapor by the process of answer evaporation. What is used to measure evaporation? Answer thermometer. How many percentage of aluminum in crust? Answer 8%. What is the thickness of inner core layer of the earth? Answer 1250 km. The earth is divided into how many longitudinal zones? Answer 24 longitudinal zones. How long is the prime meridian? Answer 20,000 km. Where is 180 degree longitude? Answer Pacific Ocean. Which is the greatest circle? Answer equator. Which is the highest volcano on earth? Answer Ojos del Salado. How many percentage of silicon in crust? Answer 27.7%. How thick is the mantle? Answer 2900 km. Which is imaginary line divides the earth into different time zone? Answer longitudes. ये वीडियो आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. जरूर लाइक बटन क्लिक करिए और कमेंट्स करिए. थैंक यू.